Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Future Trading with Mike. And we are looking once again at the E-mini S&P 500. This is the ES, guys. I welcome everyone back to the live recording here. This is me live day trading the ES. I do this every single day, guys. If you've been following the channel, you can watch the videos I already have recorded to the channel. My videos are not edited. I don't go back and do any type of voiceover. This is raw footage of me recording my day trading session, trading in futures. Okay, so we're going to take a look here now at the chart just to kind of see what happened over the overnight session here. And what I'm looking at here is that yesterday's session we pushed up, made a high up here at 44.19 or 44.20, and then we sold off some yesterday evening. We pulled back, and right now we are hitting a level. Okay, down here this red line is at, price is bouncing off of it, as we can see right now. So not sure that would have been a trade entry. It looks like it may have. Yes, it was a trade entry there, but I just don't jump into trades when it pulls back to a level just like that. I don't jump into a trade like that. I like to see price reject and then give me a second test, pretty much. So yes, that was a level. That level there I had marked from yesterday towards the end of the close of yesterday's session there. And then the market pushed higher, it pulled back, and it's testing it again. So what we have now is that if the market, let me see, give me 1 second. I'm going to take a look and guys, give me 1 second. Okay, so the market's coming back to a level. Yesterday, I'm looking at yesterday's price action. So if the market does not push higher to say and take out this high here, then it's probably going to push lower. But we'll see here what takes place. So now what I want to see price do is push lower. I mean, come back to the, to give me a second test in this area right here, and hopefully it does. But you never know what the market's going to do. It could continue pushing higher. So we'll just kind of wait and see what happens there. But okay, so what you're witnessing now is price trying to break and take out this swing level right here. Okay, so that swing level is right there. Okay, so let me move this line here. So this will create a level. Price can take out this swing level here to the downside. It could pull back down here and give us a second test. I'm not 100% sure, but let's see what happens. Okay, it's coming back. So let me I'm just going to scalp for a few quick ticks here, guys. Nothing much, because price could actually push lower. Okay, just a few quick ticks there. I saw some little, price coming, pulling back and rejecting right here, but it could actually come back down here to this red line here, this level here, and then decide what it wants to do. But I just did a quick little scalp right there. Not much, just a quick, probably 50 bucks there, but I did that in less than 5 seconds. So I am a day trader. I primarily scalp the market. Okay, so we're pulling. Let's see if we can get a test at this bottom again. And price could actually push lower now because let's see what happens down here. Come on. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. Okay. So like I just said, price can actually push lower now. Yeah, I knew we'd probably bounce right here and just test this area right here. But like I show you, I'm just gonna take a quick little trade here just to show you. So it's gonna be a quick little scalp again if we can get filled here. Okay, there we go. Just get filled. I'm just scalping right now. I noticed a little rejection right here that my price could probably bounce up to. So the price could potentially, like I just said, push lower because price is going to have to come up here and take out this high here if it wants to um, take out this high right here if it wants to continue pushing higher. And so far, we have price pulled back to this level. This level here, this red line right here, this was created. Let me make sure what I'm looking at here. Okay. Yeah, this level was created back on July the 30th. Okay, it's right here. So this is primarily. Let me take a double check that again. Let's see. Actually, um, right here. Okay, this level was created on July 30th. Price pushing down, and on the swings to the downside, the swing lows going to the downside, or swings to the downside. Price turned back around, taking this swing here out to the upside, and just kind of pushing its way to the upside. Then it turned back around and pivoted, pulled back down to this level right here for a test, and then push higher. And here's another test. Here's another test right here. I call this a second test on this, the swing to the upside. And if price can't push higher now, then it's going to push lower. So, and we shall see what it does. Okay. So, okay. So it's pushed up, pulled back, making a similar low here, and now it looks like it wants to potentially. We'll see here. It's going to have to take this area here out at 43.84. All right. And then push higher, trying to take out 43.97. So as it stands right now, looks like it's going to try to push lower. So we've got to take this little small swing here to the upside out. Well, excuse me. We have to take the small little swing to the downside out, guys. The swing here that moved to the downside, when it pushed up here, it didn't take this area here out. So it's going to have to take this area here out to want to push higher. So we probably are going to possibly move a little lower here. And looking at it now. And this is me that's looking at price action. I say this in all my videos, learn price action because it is the #1 thing that you need to know to be able to trade effectively and profit in the market each and every day. It's just coming back down, bumping up against some support and bouncing. So it could potentially, okay, let's see. I mean, it could do a number like this where it pushed up, pull back, and then push higher, taking out this swing right here. But as it stands right now, to me, it looks like it may want to try to push lower, but you just never know. You just have to follow price action. So, okay. So we are pushing lower. I just mentioned that price is breaking to the downside. You can see it here. I'm trying to see if we have any. Yeah, we do have some levels out. We do have a level out here. Down here. Yeah, we have a level right here. The price could bounce at. And there is a level right here. Trying to, oh, no, we got another level too, though. Here's a level right here. Didn't see that level. So there's a level right here where price is at now, and it can bounce. So let's see. I'm along, guys. Okay. I should have waited for the second rejection, for the second test. Okay. But I am long. Come on. Ah, y'all saw that. Okay, we'll go ahead and take out here. Okay, there we go. All right, just profiting real quick there, taking a few ticks there. I think a point on each contract. I notice all the rejection right here. So what I want to see now is a second test for price to come back down. It could give us a second test or a second entry to go long again. But now price is bumping up against resistance right here at 43.76.5. So this is resistance. And you just saw me mark that level there. I did it real quick. I was looking here to the left of my chart. I mentioned that to in one of my prior videos. If you follow my channel, about finding levels. Follow price action and then start to look for your levels to the left of your chart there. So come on, push back down. Come on. Okay, I'm going long again for a second test here. Just scalping. Okay, guys, I'm scalping the market here. Price could bounce. We're at a little high volume area here, little volume node there. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and scalp and take out here. Come on. Okay, let's just go ahead and get out. There's a little price is building some volume right here, but I think it's going to come up and test the 43.74 area possibly. Okay, so I was able to manage to get that trade there and still profit from that trade. So I had to I got into the trade too early, so I had to kind of cover my trade a little bit there by buying into another contract. So I thought that it would possibly come up and test at least the 43.74 area, but um, you gotta be careful here because price now could actually push lower because it is making a swing here, you see, but it hasn't taken out this area here yet. So be careful because this could be like a little trap right here. But it is a level. But price is if you see the structure of the market, it's pushing to the downside. So let's see. Okay, so we have this big swing. Price pushing up, pulling down, pushing up, making a swing high. So here's the major swing low right here. I mean, if it takes this swing out right here, it could push all the way down to this area down here. So now here's a level right here. There's a level right there. Okay. Along. Just scalping, guys. Try to get a point out this trade here. Come on. There we go. Quick point out that trade there. I saw rejection right here. I went long at a level. You saw that. As simple as that. Mark your level, wait for price to fail to reject, and take your trade. There was a level sitting right here from July 27th. I just marked on my chart. It's at the lower end. It's in the low volume area, but there's you have to know where potentially price can bounce. there's some resistance right here at 43.70 and a half. So price is going to probably react right there and decide whether it wants to continue pushing higher, pushing lower. But we're hitting resistance right now, and you see it stopping. It's pausing, and then it may pull back, and from there, we'll see what happens. But this is just scalping the ES pretty quick this morning to make a profit. So I'm up 33 ticks. Oops, sorry. It's going to show you my up 33 ticks right now on the ES, and I've not been trading but only 15 minutes now. So there you go. And you can do the same, guys. You can do the same. Just learn price action. Price action is the key. You learn price action, you don't need any indicators on your chart. Just pure naked chart, learn price action. And to me, it's just like, it's the elementary way of once you learn that technique of just being able to read the market and using price action, you don't need anything else. Stick with it and keep it. Always say this: keep things simple. And the more you keep them simple, the easiest. The simplest is better. Because then you can. It helps you clearly see what you're looking at in your chart. You don't want a chart cluttered with a bunch of mess on it, because then your eyes are going all over the place, and then you're just like, this has to line up, this has to line up, this has to line up. No, just follow price action, guys. That's all you need. It's as simple as that. It's the best way to trade. So I just said 43.70 and a half, 43.71. So price is rejecting that area, and why? Because there's resistance right here. We have this area of resistance right here. So that's why. That is why. So yeah, I mean, I'm not going to do anything right now, because price could actually push lower, because excuse me, we're at this like I mentioned, that swing low right there. If price takes out 43.64, it could push lower. I mean, we do have support below that, but I mean, it could definitely push lower, guys. So just really know, just really know. I'll leave it like that. I'm gonna leave it just like that. But we do have support below us. But price is in an area at the lows. It could, start pushing higher. So it can reject down here because it's at the lows, and then turn around and start pushing higher. So it's just one of those things you have to kind of fill it out and read the market. And I'm not gonna make a long-winded video here today. I just wanted to show you guys how you can do this every single day. For those that haven't been following my channel, I thank you for watching this video today. However you found the video, this is me live price action trading, and I'm a price action trader, and I record my sessions and post them live. I don't have anything to sell. I don't have a webinar to sell, a training program to sell, or anything like that, because to me, if you watch and understand my channel, and because I explain things to you. I explain the level I trade from, why I take a trade from that level, and and then you can look at the price action. You follow price action with your eyes. Follow price action. Understand price action. You'll catch on, and once you catch on, it's going to click. So I don't have a program to sell for thousands of dollars to kind of like I'm not gonna say people are scamming anyone, because I don't know what people are doing out there. That's not how I learned. I didn't pay for some program, because I took a lot of time reading about the financial markets, and also watching lots of videos and kind of piecing things together. It took me a little time to do so, but I learned on my own, and I learned price action, and I recommend you do the same thing. So watch my channel, follow my channel. If you have any questions now, I will answer your questions, definitely, guys. I will help you. I will help answer any questions that you may have, because I'm not just like going to leave you high and dry, and I'm not that type of person. But I believe that everyone should be able to learn. If you have knowledge or wisdom, pass it along and share it with other individuals, and not try to profit from it. To me, that's just like, I think that's just the wrong way of life. So, so what I'm basically trying to say is that, guys, if you like the videos, please make sure just to hit that like button for me, because I'll continue posting content like this where you see me live trading every day, explaining my trades, explaining price action. I have some good information on my channel. about price action trading, about and other videos as well that you may find very informational as well. So if you have subscribed to the channel, thank you. For those who have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, because it shows me that the content's good. It shows me that I can continue doing this and sharing my information that I have, the wisdom that I have, and the knowledge I have about trading, day trading, to you, because I'm sure there are tons of people out there that want to learn how to day trade, and I'm here to help. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close this video out here. I'm just trying to see, because here's a level right here. Let's see. Price hasn't broken this yet, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close the video out here. So like the video, please hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I would appreciate it. And everyone out there watching the video, have a great day. I'll see you in the next live trading video that I post tomorrow. So I'll see you in the next session, guys. Take care.